Hi everyone, welcome back to the House Mouse collaboration for 2019, hosted by CraftyBean here on YouTube. Hope everyone is doing great. To find out who's participating, check out the description box. Every person that's participating will be in the description link. Click on them and check them out and see what they're doing or have done. They have made a lot of wonderful creations. I am going to share with you what I used. I used the Iris Climber house mouse stamp. And it looks like this. It's still on the little block because I didn't take it off yet. I cleaned it and I like to let them dry when I'm not doing multiple stamping. I also used the word Hello Spring from the Unity Stamp Company. And then I used some paper from Michael's Hot Buy, the one solid purple. I don't know why I bought all purple paper. And then this piece right here is from Grace, and I just cut it down, the Grace Paper Pad Collection. It's kind of like a Easter colors, so I thought that was cool, and I just glued it all down. I colored this up with my Prismacolor pencils, and if you can see some of that like shimmer on the flower and the bird, I just took my gel pens of those colors, the respective color blue and purple, and I just followed the lines on some spots, not all of them. Can you even see it? I don't know, but this is my project for this week. I only got a chance to make one card because I was pressed for time. So I want to say thank you all for watching. Please go over and check out the other amazing creators. Until next time, happy crafting.